Good morning, children. I am Saligram Misra, teacher, Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. This video is of class 5 maths exercise 5.9. First question, write the reciprocal of a 2 by 5. So, when you write the reciprocal of any number, you will interchange the denominator and the numerator. Denominator you will write at the numerator and numerator you will write at the place of denominator. Then you will get the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 2 by 5 is equal to 5 by 2. Here you have interchanged the numerator and the denominator. Now B, 1 by 6. So the reciprocal of 1 by 6 is equal to 6 by 1. And in 6 by 1 is, you can write as 6. Because when you divide any number by 1, then the number result will be the number itself. So 6 by 1 is equal to 6. So the reciprocal of 1 by 6 is equal to 6. Now 5. The reciprocal of 5. So in 5, you can write as a fraction 5 by 1. So when you interchange the numerator and denominator, you will get 1 by 5. So reciprocal of 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Now D, 2 whole 1 by 10. So first of all, you will convert this into improper fraction. This is in mixed fraction. So first of all, you have to convert this into improper fraction. So the reciprocal of 2 whole 1 by 10, or when you convert into improper fraction, this becomes 21 by 10. Now 21 by 10, you will interchange the numerator and denominator. So answer will be 10 by 21. So very easy to find the reciprocal of any fraction. You will interchange the numerator and the denominator. Now question 2, divide the following. A 2 by 3 by 3. So divide, you have already solved multiplication. So easily you can solve division also, because 2 by 3 divide by 3. So in next step, what you will write? 2 by 3, and at the place of divide, you will sign the change multiply. At the place of divide, you will put multiply sign, and then 3 divide by 3. So divide by 3 numbers, reciprocal you will write. Now 2 by 3 into, and reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Now you will multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator and write the answer. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 and 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So 2 by 9 is the answer. Now question number C of question number 2, 7 divide by 4 whole 3 by 8. So first of all, you will convert 4 whole 3 by 8 into improper fraction. Because mixed fractions reciprocal you cannot find. So first of all, you will convert it into improper fraction. So in next step, you will write 7 divided by, and the improper fraction of 4 whole 3 by 8 is 35 by 8. Now in next step, you will do 7, and at the place of divide, you will put multiply sign, and then you will write the reciprocal of 35 by 8 is equal to 8 by 35. Now 7 into 8 by 35. Now 7 into 8 is in numerator and 35 is in denominator. So you see that 7 can be divided, 7 and 35 can be divided by the same number 7. So you will divide first, 7 1 ja 7 and 7 5 ja 35. Now you will multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator and write the answer. So 8 into 1 is equal to 8 by 5. So 8 by 5 is the answer. Now question number 3, divide the following. A 10 whole 1 by 2 divided by 4 whole 2 by 3. So first of all, you convert these fractions into improper fraction. So 10 whole 1 by 2 is equal to 21 by 2 divided by 4 whole 2 by 3 is equal to 14 by 3. After that, you will do the same procedure as you have done in the previous question. 21 by 2, then at the place of divide, you will put the multiply sign, and then you will write the reciprocal of 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 14. So 21 by 2 into 3 by 14. Now you see that 21 and 14 has common factor 7. So you will divide 21 and 14 by 7. 7 2 is 14 and 7 3 is 21. Now you will multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9, by 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now 9 by 4 is in improper fraction, and better way you write the answer in the mixed fraction. So 9 by 4 you will convert into mixed fraction. So 2 whole 1 by 4 is the final answer of this question. Now question number H of this part, you see 9 by 26 divided by 4 whole 2 by 13. So first of all, 9 by 26 is already in proper fraction. So you will write 9 by 26 divided by 4 whole 2 by 13 is in mixed fraction. So you convert it into improper fraction. So 4 whole 2 by 13 is equal to 54 by 13. Now next step, you will change the sign. 9 by 26 and change the sign of divide into multiply. Then you will write the reciprocal of 54 by 13 is equal to 13 by 54. So 9 by 26 into 13 by 54. Now you see that 9 and 56 has common factor 9. So 9 1 is 9 and 9 6 is 54. Now 13 and 26 has common factor 13. So 13 1 is 13 and 13 2 is 26. Now you will multiply the numerator. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. By 2 into 6 is equal to 12. So 1 by 12 is the answer of this question. So in this way, other questions also you can solve, because division is very similar to what you have done in the previous exercise, multiplication. Only you have to do is change the sign of division as multiplication and write the reciprocal, and then you will solve the question. Thank you.